Okay. Hi, this is Sarah from Align with Sarah. This month, our piece of wellness is the concept of consuming. And this week's video, I want to kind of use an analogy. I use analogies a lot, but I want to use an analogy for what we're consuming in our day. So, our routines, our beliefs, our actions, our the tasks that we accomplish, the attitudes that we have, using an analogy and kind of thinking of all of those things as ingredients in a soup that we will be consuming, at the end of our day to kind of analyze how we feel. And so if we take all those parts and we imagine that they are a soup, our soup of our day. So all these ingredients are coming together. And when we think about what we are constantly adding to the soup every day, of course, it's going to keep tasting the same as it does every day, right? We can hope to change, we can think to change, we can, make these plans to change and, have exercise or meditation or a friendly connection or, adding pieces to the soup. But if the overwhelming ingredients are all full of victimhood, abandonment, anxiety, um, fear, I'm looking at my emotions over here, conflict, depression. If those are the major players in the soup, um, it takes a little bit more to change the flavor of the day than just, a drop of intention or a few moments of this or that. I do believe that they make a difference, um, but I think it's a good way of thinking of kind of coming out of that a little bit and thinking about our day and what are the belief systems. That's going to be the stock that we are cooking, like the broth that brings it together. And if that's going to be bitter, or full of frustration, then when we add, that next ingredient of um, waking up and what we choose for breakfast or hydration or exercise, that's going to be, those vegetables that go in there, or maybe just one vegetable in particular, like that's the carrots or that's the potatoes. And, if they're not cooked in a certain way, if they're not salted or flavored or seasoned in some way, or if there's too many of them, then it can turn into this whole other soup. So I'm going to invite you to kind of maybe break down your day, break down your behaviors into, a list, and then you can kind of assign them if that feels like it's helpful to figure out which one might be your belief system, your like overall attitude or your intention for the day, and that is going to be that broth, the soup base, and then all the other ingredients that go into it. What kind of self-care are you tapping into? Um, what kind of environment are you part of throughout the day? What part, where's the resting? Where's the happiness? Where's all the different parts that will make that day, that soup of the day, taste and feel really delicious and really satisfying and really nourishing? So this comes from the thinking that I love so much. I don't even remember where I heard it from. It's some part of natural healing, natural living. If you keep doing what you're going to keep getting what you're getting. So you need to stop doing what you're doing to stop getting what you're getting. Like this like cycle, right? Of the same, like that trudging through the day. What's going to mix it up? What's going to stop this? Like, what are you doing that you can change? And I think maybe breaking it down for me, it was kind of this interesting thought of breaking it down into like, well, this is my soup for today. How do I want to start this soup? What's the base of the soup today? What's my intention for the day? And making sure that that intention, I can keep coming back to that. Is this going to be loving intention? Is this going to be understanding? Am I going to show joy throughout the day. That's my intention. That's that soup base. And then what are those things that complement that? What can I introduce into that soup to help enhance it and make it more nourishing so that at the end of the day, I feel really full and I feel really complete. And, my body and my brain and my spirit are all getting what they need. So, soup of the day, that's the thought of the day, the analogy of the day, the whatever rambling of the day, the video of the day, our time together today. So thank you for being here and let me know what that feels like to you to think about having making your day into this like soup, what your intention is, what the ingredients are, and how it's going to nourish you and feel for you in all of those aspects, mind, body, and spirit at the end of the day. So thank you for being here. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel get out there to be suggested for other people. And it helps my efforts and my sharing my journey go out into the world a little bit deeper and hopefully change the universe a little bit. I don't know. But thank you and thank you and thank you. And I will talk to you again really soon.